Take one last look at this bathroom because it is going to be changing like that. Hi lovelies, welcome back to Simply Share. This makeover was 90% complete a few years ago, and thanks to Chatter's Hair Salon who partnered with me for a live segment on CHCH Morning Show, I was finally able to finish styling our bathroom to make it feel like an oasis. Today, you're going to see the before and after of the space, plus get a few tips on how to make your bathroom feel like a spa. So let's jump right in. Here's what the space looked like when we first moved in. Gray walls, gray fixtures, honey oak cabinetry, a corner shower, which totally made me feel claustrophobic. I feel like the last time that the space was renovated was in the 80s. What do you think? I wanted this space to feel like we were at the spa, a little modern retreat in our Victorian home that we could go and relax and really just get energized in the morning. So we took out the bathtub because we weren't using it, and that way we could really create something that was functional for us. As most of us are, we were totally on a budget, so I was able to splurge on some items and mix in some affordable options for fixtures and materials. And if you want to know more details about anything that you see here, make sure to leave a comment below and I'll definitely answer those questions. For the flooring, I used luxury vinyl plank flooring that looks like reclaimed wood, and it's super durable, it requires no glue, no nails, and it's great for a DIYer. I paired it with this marble-esque porcelain tile, which was actually part of a end-of-the-line sale at a big box store. Total score. No bathtub meant that I had more space for a little seating area where I could sit down, I could do my nails, I could apply a lotion, or just take a moment to sip my coffee. And of course, as a new mom, these little moments are so important. The shower tower is something I would totally recommend as it was easy to install, plus it has a rain shower, a waterfall option, body jets, and a handheld spray, so you can really change up the shower experience every time. This bathroom has the perfect amount of storage for our family. The vanity isn't super deep, but it does have a lot of countertop space, and the drawers underneath are a must. I also got the matching wall cabinet since we don't have a closet in this space, and it's great for storing toiletries and towels. Now, when it comes to styling and creating a spa-like feel, here's a few easy tips that are so simple. First step is to edit all the clutter and get organized by getting stackable containers. These are inexpensive, and funny enough, I found these in the office organizing section at the dollar store. Items that you use all the time will be stacked on top, and the occasional items will be stored underneath. Opening up a nicely organized drawer is just so satisfying. Lazy Susans can also be used in tall cabinets where you have a lot of hair products. You can organize them by height and by color, and you can make everything look so nice and calming. Add lots of nature. Every time I go to the spa, I always see lots of greenery and orchids and succulents, and don't worry, they don't have to be real. Seeing nature really helps to boost your mood and add life to any space. One of the things that you definitely have to try is the AG Hair Peppermint Wash Invigorating Shampoo and the Stimulating Balm Conditioner. They are a huge must. I absolutely love them. The mint and the menthol totally wake you up, leaving you refreshed, and there's a ton of herbal extracts that also allow your hair to feel nourished. You can also use the peppermint wash as a body wash, so it's kind of like a 2-in-1. Another thing that I like to do is just switch up my products as a little treat. So you can definitely try out the AG Hair Apple Cider Vinegar line. It's 98% plant-based and naturally derived ingredients, leaving your hair super amazing. And as a designer, I actually don't have to look around for extra containers because the pump is already integrated. Another tip is to roll your towels. And it's something that's so easy to do, and I love doing it with face cloths or even large bath towels, and it's a small detail that really adds lots of luxury to your space. I have 3 adults and 1 baby at our house, which means this bathroom can get a little crowded. I found these inexpensive pencil cases that look super fancy. You can really assign each pouch to each person, and you can store anything from medications to makeup to razors to whatever, and nothing really gets mixed up. When it comes to the spa experience, I always think that you should just treat yourself. So I upgraded my styling tools, which was a must. The last time I got a hairdryer was probably 10 years ago. And I opted for the Formawell by Kendall Jenner negative ion hairdryer. And this was because I really wanted something that was powerful, was also lightweight, and it's just gorgeous. It totally matches the bathroom. Now when I open up the drawer, it makes me feel so happy. It's compact, fits into the little tray, and it leaves my hair frizz-free and perfect every time. So I can feel like a Kardashian when I wake up. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you really enjoyed my bathroom makeover. We absolutely love the space, and a huge thanks to Chatter's Hair Salon for partnering with me and to helping me finally style my bathroom. Make sure to leave comments below if you have any questions about where I got any of these products. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Simply Share to help you learn how to get things done simply. I'll be back soon with a brand new video, and I'll see you next time.